Dum dum dum. Bum 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 bum.
Well, Delphina Mwakwa, I say this is one of Omanhene's songs. Well, I didn't play this song with Omanhene in mind. In mind. Whitney Nyantechua, you are watching us live on Facebook. Ubia wa how Bia so candidate can Benjamin Kwabena Asante is seated. Benjamin
me pesam pedu jumno na fi makasa ke 2 minutes na ko
enumbe
obra
nana kwam yam pedu
obra me ya bofra no na ga minim se
kamanyi me ya penintam o na me ya medi me hu so okay
femini wie dem hu se
sad na hihye Kwabena
Adom FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now. 106.3 FM. Adom FM. Adom FM.
Akame papa and the marginal question me be 11 12 15 16 17 years now I was eager to grow up and be independent Kwabena and then am pressure go me so no
eti express as a man nankasa no our eagerness level to be independent on our own no I move from your crowd from Mammy Wiaza. Hey, and now you buy and tell my Camazeno. Oh, yeah, the problem with you. Yes, and then brother.
Nelson Boateng from Paul says the only songwriter who forgets his own lyrics. Only.
Oh my goodness. I don't pay Mathiobia 8th of August 2022. DwasoNsem.
Yes.
J. Anafi Eye Asempa and a team Nina. Debia Damika said the best is Ewa Hanum say. And a penny CJ quickly. Debia da Anya na Ghana Edin na Ghana AC na Ghana AC and as they say na AC CJ. Medicana yen faton just yehu or my move for no said ye junior ye pay a certain change ye ninya the be ding.
Yeah.
See I started English Premier no.
Yeah.
Oko paps ni na so bia English Premier.
Ɛkɔ so.
Ofa baby so almost you bia share the party. Team JC.
Yeah.
It's not the case.
Yeah.
Oko radio station TV station just discuss so many more time on here discussion.
Yeah. On EPL. Yes.
So mo can you my papa and man more attention.
Yeah.
Oba Ghana hanums here. Since 1992 almost says your league na egu no. Ghana for including Menewo. They can how many times they can Ghana local league no
GPL.
You can once some crowd a radio TV. How many times? They talk so young Kasia Okika. Because you criticize besine. You criticize how. See about English Premier. Ofankara. I say at the papa be a AC war or my Ghana ebenya home for so. Baby easy.
The attention we give to the English Premier League as compared to the Ghana Premier League.
How we are developing the country. Oko come say o nya na dey very attractive. Even Kofona kasa mo amanone. Say consciously o man kasa your Premier League we ye be ya mana gina so. Kroma ne be boa, administrators be boa, aban be ho be som kakra. How do we develop the Premiership? 1% local league ye. Dr.
Bernard Okoboy.
Yeah.
Also Chiawa na pay.
Yeah, imagine so 1% local league ye. Also show our attention for local league no. Eniyo. What the ahoden ya okeka bia ko English Premier. O say the best because e serious. Now fit on fit na omonte that.
Even after Keto Kreku GFA chairman bring back the love.
What we have done
love no my.
We don't know what we want. Me the way by example number 2. You can't see any local rice. You shall say back and tea and so boom and as I come back to foreign rice. But be a hotels in our mining. If you be any school be any majority, you need imported rice. So how do we want to develop Ghana? Me just say Young Cassiano, we refuse it.
The domestication attitude
yes, son move
yeah. Kwabena, you have
domestication about.
Yeah.
Even internal holiday in vacation domestically, I have problem.
The tourist side.
Ghana for a person come vacation, majority Dubai, Kenya, America, and they say, why are we doing this? So how can we change the country?
On Friday, Michia Abranton or your horseman shoes.
Yeah.
We share the quality of shoes are no Ghana here.
Yeah.
Ghana here. And so Italian
but
designers.
Say that we don't patronize our own. But yes, your man and the Sikana could nicely.
Yeah.
And 24 Kasa. There are certain basics we should come back and do it as for mine. Yan Shasi and she say in fact, there Yakran say, I don't pay. There Yakran say, Ghana's consistently going to IMF. We him IMF for say Oba Kasa from 7 to 9. Member name Rosso. IMF 40 and China. Yebeka 7 to 9. IMF 40 Mufri and Yebeka 7 to 11. So it means that
self-discipline. Self-discipline.
Yeah.
Self-discipline.
Young Kasa idea hono. Yentimi nyada. Every say obi ba say and to a shame kopem in fear bear miensa. Sa nipa no de sa nhyera to so no. Ampa in fear miensa won to shame bia.
Onya train ho a.
Won to shame so ubi bia wo ye bia be koso pepe.
Court sikasem no.
Onipa no train ho a.
Yeah.
Na wasa koto. So how are we expecting to change? How do we want to see that change now?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Yeah.
We are doing, in fact, backwards things, but we are expecting modern change.
I think that the bottom line is that we need a certain kind of reorientation.
No, that reorientation starts with us, the media, that we also need to tell people that let's do what is Ghana. Let's patronize what is Ghana. Let's be patriotic for us, Ghana. Let's love Ghana. Now we're Council of State member. Now we're the special prosecutor retrievers. Yeah. Now and I'm on to a special prosecutor on this matter.
Yeah.
Now we're Council of State member.
Arehu.
How? Eti Mr. Yentimi metna de bia nye de sa na yenyan fa so bia because mama 2 typical examples hwe subaya Croboland for be I exhibit
omo twitwa post let us just say me say hey
Otrasia na otimi say o sisi either say ya yare and I damn be ne see so oba sisia either say o yare and I
damn be no e de anyina ma ho de bra ye
na number 2 and number 2 Croboland na number 2 in consultation with the energy minister any o maka nyina no bibia e kototi mini de beba ma yenka bi nhyem e be so no pa post e supply o kania na yenka wansema yenka sie was akotwitwa ma ne be affect thousands and hundreds of people. How are you doing that? And how do you expect the country to develop? How do you expect Croboland to develop? This is not the approach. This can't be the approach. You can't continue to do the same old things and expect to change and our results are open. It's not possible. It's a more premiership, no. Baby is easy. In fact, the eagerness of people discussing the premiership on radio stations and television stations. Only to a local league now. Yes.
Elfem.
The levels of even playing the Nigerian music as against the Ghanaian music. O come say you born you na enye de. Na Nigerian music na na de basebo. Yan kasi esi ni kura ye twakra no patronage. Bibia Ghanaian no. Ghanaian refuse. But the Ghanaian is expecting that there will be a change. How do we see that change? Everything Ghanaian is being rejected by Ghanaians. Everything Ghanaian. Now who will be the Biameka same way? Who will be Akwatia Diamond? Sani from the GC lawyer.
GCD.
Lawyer. Akwatia mine says Akwatia. Great who will be our or yet more. Now we interview no Adom from no catch say, baby, I doing the idea of a brony and a baby head and so that you one. Then we are doomed forever.
Nsem patriotism is what Ghanaians lack.
Yeah, because
we praise foreign goods at the expense of local and expect growth of our economy.
If we don't push our own, how do we develop? You see, can say my nako do $9 to the city, I could do 9.
Yeah.
Say I Yankasi foundation here. Aban beko. You see, can say me that. IMF with all kinds of explanations. The Ghanaians should be ready now. That this one, we need to now start doing Ghana, cultivate Ghana, eating Ghana, patriotic, everything Ghana. Yes, I dear.
Me young man be a from place.
Yes, I
and Oka tourism as me.
Oh,
he has been on the show. I'm not sure. Come on. Last week, I sent me drone shot of islands, sir. What sir? Insurance so islands, sir. What you say? Idea. Yeah. My near kohun. Na yes. Ka tourist site.
I'm saying that.
Just say.
See, you're trying to pound. Now share the opportunities in this country. Now share say the Ghana. Mabruni mrantiano. Titruni nketesi anisi bre. Now she said the Ghana for a shortcut to life. A majority of Ghanaians, Obia Pequentia, Yadia Yewa Brabo. Etuba kasa. They get to a point that Oya share and ye. Yes, sir, CJ. The love that we have for the English Premiership. Same love, no? Yemfa embed tie the local premiership.
Your team here called Birmingham Commonwealth Games.
Yeah.
The publicity behind it, the hype. Just a name of them. Just say, who are Ghana on te say Ghana the team of athletes. For your mind and Casano, or dog for your mind, Aukeka for your mind, a to watch for your mind, be a call from everything in this country. No my measure rich, your case will be a year in this country. Who you know any measure no? Yakase obi a year in Ghana. Onipa ne parties akese. Onipa no cars. Onipa no ofie.
Aha, yeyo. It's in these things. Yeyo obi a wa ye bia no or cars. Latest cars. Was he sidan ana ono yakase on tade bebre. Eno ni yeyo.
Adano na me hwe opinion yes we akoto Twitter Elon Musk I say ono me hwe edan a otim. Dan ya 4D bio.
And make say eno ni yeyo in this country.
And so sika wo no.
Yes, because with him Oman is so skilled say ye nyina ya dwene say why a year uchi Land Cruiser, uchi Benz, uchi the whatever car. And that's just why you. Richness is measured in this country by the number of cars, the number of efie awo. How can this be possible? How? Ni pe bia nyuma impact society in life. Majority of people are affected by this. Baunya sika Ghana. Just walk to the latest V8. Walk to the latest sports car. Once he died with East Legon and Atrasako, and not just one yeska. This is nothing. That woman says you. Niasa said, Yoma Bibria. Your brana and the Ghana Yankasiabo. Or Brano and the Ghana Yankasiabo. Obi Mabo Ghana Brama,
Debbie,
and the Yankasiabo.
Yeah.
It was here.
But and then I'm who say nipa nye just say and then no Omanhene mene wontem I say Jagri boss say why today no fight. I'm say hey just say obi so de da bia ojammomo de awo hwehwa
no sorry no so no Bexam in a Mremna Messibit by Bra.
didn't see
ECG for the Cocobobi by Bra. So, why illegal connection, Biano? Or Mamma grace period with a Bromuno Betters come. Any per minimum, any because no Mufia for Anna are connecting a meme tenant. The better tenants, the Brie, and tenants again with mine. Meaning, my quarter if you run on one adjustment to your system, me them your tenant. And I use 1 meter. You should have me because you run on TOB. If you buy me, I bet you become a use to can you be here. It is a band day.
Near Tiffy Hono or a tenant. But in this case, no, he will be considered as an agent of if you run. Meboa.
And it's the beginning.
Good. And they say no, or much you mean. And if you run, you use light.
Maybe if you run,
no use.
But fear any the honor meter, any idea. Maybe Koji meter.
Meter, if you're any dinner,
I mean Koji meter.
Or Koji. If you run a Kokoji,
yeah,
and obefix meter. Those who are using it are who?
You should
what you are now, won't be a light bill. No. BBM pursue say, I didn't know won't be a light bill.
I'm a Tihono.
I will to a won't be a light bill.
May enjoy light.
We enjoy light freely. BBM pursue. Are you not worried? And how?
Say, be a camera.
So you are aiding and abetting.
In this case, you know, say, me direct ECG for no to me feel running. Because I am only a tenant.
Say you are aiding and abetting. Oh boy.
I'm a chronological.
And don't just say if you run in your liable, if you run or something, you know.
Hey, I am home to you. Yeah, chichi tenants this hour.
Yes, MPB crampon so illegal. I'm see MP. And or the 30,000. I say MP, yeah. What about men of law?